Good morning students. Let's see the continuity of organic chemistry. Tautomerism is completed. Now go for stereoisomerism. So isomerism classified as two types. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. In the structural isomerism we have chain, positional, functional group, metamerism, tautomerism. Completed that one. Okay, with examples also. Now come to second one, that is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Again stereoisomerism classified as two types. One is configurational isomerism, another one is conformational isomerism. Configurational isomerism again classified as two types. One is geometrical isomerism, another one is optical isomerism. These two are very important. Now what is stereochemistry? Let us write the definition. What is stereochemistry? Then we go for stereoisomerism. Isomerism means two or more molecules having same molecular formula. Keep it in our mind. Stereochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals the arrangement of different atoms of a molecule in the three-dimensional space around it. Stereochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals the arrangement of different atoms of a molecule in three-dimensional space around it. So that means three-dimensional, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, So this is one dimension, two dimension, three dimension, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, three-dimensional arrangement of a atoms in a molecule is called as stereochemistry. Three-dimensional analysis is called as stereochemistry. For example, methane. Its two-dimensional representation is CH4. CH4 is two-dimensional representation. Simple. So the same methane in three-dimensional representation is the same methane in three-dimensional representation. So now this is the carbon. How many carbons are present here? One carbon. So the carbons denote with dot. This is one hydrogen, this is another hydrogen, and third hydrogen, fourth hydrogen. This is the center is the carbon. So this mark with dark line or thick line this is called solid wedge. What we call it is solid wedge. These are broken lines. This is structure of three-dimensional analysis. So now what is the meaning of these three-dimensional representation? Now this is the center of the atom, carbon. Now this hydrogen on the board. This hydrogen on the board. Now this is also on the board. Now this hydrogen towards me like this. This hydrogen is towards me like this. This hydrogen towards me. What is the meaning of the solid wedge representation? This hydrogen like this. This broken line hydrogen is exactly backside of this hydrogen. Simple, simple. This is the carbon center. Now this is one hydrogen. This is solid wedge hydrogen. Okay, clear? This is broken line hydrogen, backside of the board. This is backside of the board. This is front side of the board. These two are on the board. Okay. Okay, clear? Here carbon is there. This is this hydrogen towards. This is this hydrogen. Okay. Then the remaining two hydrogen is like this. This is upward. This is. These two are on the board. These two are on the board. This board. Okay. This is towards the board. This is back side of the board. So three-dimensional representation. Three hydrogens here below, and fourth hydrogen is like this. Clear, all of you? This is three-dimensional representation. The three-dimensional arrangement of atoms representation is called as stereochemistry. Stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals the arrangement of atoms. These are the atoms. This is the molecule, methane molecule. These are the atoms. Atoms of different atoms of a molecule in three-dimensional. The study of the chemistry in three-dimensional representation of the molecule is called as stereochemistry. Okay? Clear up to everyone? So the arrangement of atoms in 3D is called as space. Next, stereoisomerism or spatial isomerism. Okay. Molecules have same molecular formula molecules having same molecular formula but and sequence of atoms but arrangement of different atoms of a molecule in three-dimensional space is called stereoisomers, and this phenomena is called phenomenon is called stereoisomerism. Same definition, three-dimensional arrangement of atoms, but molecules having same molecular formula. Two molecules having same molecular formula, but the arrangement of atoms around the molecule is different, like methane. Okay. This is about stereoisomerism. Okay. Now let us come to configurational isomerism. Stereoisomerism again classified as two types. One is configurational, conformational. We are discussing about configurational isomerism. Configurational isomerism. Okay. exact three-dimensional arrangement of atoms of a molecule around it in the space is called configurational isomerism. Configurational isomerism. Three-dimensional arrangement, same definition. Okay, but here configurational isomers are not interconvertible. This point is very much, that does not interconvertible. Suppose A is equilibrium to B, again B does not interconvertible. A, B. So such kind of phenomena not takes place here. Not interconvertible. Okay? Not interconvertible due to no free rotation by the around single bond. Let's see what is the meaning of this one. Suppose this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. This type of molecule, there is no free rotation. Sigma bond, single bond. So around there is no free rotate in this molecule. Okay, but molecule having same molecular formulas. If you take another molecule, they process same molecular formula, but there is no free rotation in this case. But atoms are arranged in three-dimensional space. Now this is one ball, this is one ball, this is one ball, this is one ball. Suppose. Okay, this ball is towards me, this ball back side of the board, this is two are on the board. So three-dimensional arrangement of the atom. So rotation is not free here. Okay, so there is no rotation in this case. Okay, in the case of configurational isomerism. Keep that in our point. Now geometrical and optical isomers, sir, configurational stereoisomers. These two are belongs to optical and geometrical belongs to configurational. Configurational isomerism means it belongs to stereoisomers. Okay, clear ma? And now in configurational we are discussing about geometrical isomerism. Very important. Geometrical isomerism. This is very important for JEE NEET. Okay, clear? So this topic we'll discuss on tomorrow. Simple. In stereochemistry we analyze the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms around the central atom. Carbon is there is three atoms. Okay, simple. Suppose in the center there is a carbon here. This hydrogen is towards. This hydrogen is backward, exactly back side of this hydrogen. This is front side hydrogen. This is back side hydrogen. Okay, clear? This is top hydrogen. Listen carefully. And this one is side hydrogen. This arrangement is there. Solid wedge, ఇది మీ towards you. This one is exactly back side. This one is exactly back side. The arrangement is like this. 3-dimensional. Okay ma? Clear? So that study is in stereochemistry. Okay. So we'll discuss about geometrical isomerism. That is very easy and very important also for JEE and NEET. Okay students.